This is a message to Melusi on Gomora.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Truly speaking guys, I'm with Moshe on this one. Yes ladies, was totally wrong by doing what she did. Melusi need to understand her pain though. I don't remember Melusi supporting his wife about her brother's passing. Every time they fight, he have shoulders to cry on. He ran to Tati. Guys, please watch the rest of the video and don't forget to share your opinion on the comment section. Bye.
To Melusi on Gomora. First and foremost, you're rubbish. Our Kalakausia police station to say your cousin about ladies, Ubulele, Ulanga, well and good sharp, Umbulele Nagok and Umbulele has come clean there. But why don't you then say a police station back? In fact, even my son killed my side chick's husband. In fact, even my side chick killed my wife's brother. Who's the common denominator? You're rubbish. And just because does that mean already you're already in heat for Utati? Tati makes the things go away. Damn you, Scar! Principal and Dada.